like Gary Hart, who ran for the presidency in 1987. He was the front runner to win, and 3 weeks later he left politics forever. So the movie is kind of a thriller. It's comedic at times, but it tells the story of that 3 weeks, which was very tumultuous, and it was a great honor playing him, but it was very nerve-wracking.
This campaign is about the future, not rumors, not sleaze. And I care about the sanctity of this process, whether you do or do not.
This was really a turning point, I think, in history. The press and politicians used to hang out and drink whiskey at 10 o'clock and they were friends. And then after this, it all changed. So if you're like me and you wonder how the hell we got to where we are today, this movie is for you. No, I've known those guys for 15 years. They're my friends. No, we don't talk politics at birthday parties. I vote. Okay. I'm an Aussie. I don't get to vote, but if you can, you should vote. Oh.
We dress up for Halloween.
Oh, wow. Shower. You got to shower regularly. It's important. I'm doing a movie right now called Bad Education, and Deb's going to direct the movie.
Ah. Welcome.